Ever had that sinking feeling? You know, the one where you've blocked out precious time for a client, prepped everything, and then, poof, they're a no-show? Or worse, a last-minute cancellation? It's not just a minor inconvenience, right? It's lost revenue, wasted resources, and honestly, a bit of a headache. You're running a business, not a charity. And let's be real, time is money. We've all been there. You're trying to be flexible, accommodating, building that client relationship. But how do you balance that with protecting your bottom line? How do you ensure your time is respected and your business is secure? That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? Today, we're diving deep into a solution that can help you do just that, specifically within the Square Appointments ecosystem. We're talking about deposits, that little safety net that can make a world of difference. Now, before we jump into the how-to, let's take a moment to understand why deposits matter. It's not just about guarding against no-shows. It's about setting clear expectations from the get-go. It's about demonstrating the value of your time and services. And frankly, it's about weeding out those who might not be as serious about their appointment. Think about it. When a client puts down a deposit, they're invested. They're more likely to show up, and they're more likely to respect your time. It's a psychological commitment, a tangible demonstration of their intent. And in today's fast-paced world, where online booking is the norm, having a streamlined, automated system for managing deposits is crucial. That's where Square Appointments comes in. So, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. How do you actually require a deposit on Square Appointments? It's a bit like navigating a digital roadmap, and we're here to guide you step by step. First things first, you'll need to make sure you're logged into your Square Appointments dashboard. This is your command center, the hub of your scheduling universe. Once you're in, look for the Settings tab. It's usually located on the left-hand side menu, a gateway to all things customizable. Within the settings, you'll find a section labeled Online Booking. This is where the magic happens, where you can configure how clients interact with your booking system. Click on that and you'll be presented with a range of options. Now, here's where we get to the core of our discussion: payment and cancellation. Click on that and you'll see a section dedicated to deposits. You'll be presented with options, such as require a deposit and a toggle switch. Enable that toggle switch. Boom! You've just activated the deposit feature. But we're not done yet. The real power lies in customizing the details. Square Appointments allows you to specify the deposit amount. You can set a fixed dollar amount or even a percentage of the total service cost. This flexibility is crucial, as it allows you to tailor your deposit policy to the specific needs of your business. For example, if you're offering a high-value service like a multi-session treatment, you might want to require a larger deposit. Conversely, for a simpler service, a smaller deposit might suffice. You can also specify whether the deposit is refundable or non-refundable. This is a critical decision that should be clearly communicated to your clients. A refundable deposit can encourage bookings, while a non-refundable deposit provides stronger protection against no-shows. Square Appointments also allows you to set a cancellation policy. This is where you define the time frame within which a client can cancel their appointment without forfeiting their deposit. For instance, you might require 24 or 48 hours notice. Clear communication is key here. Make sure your cancellation policy is prominently displayed on your booking page and in your confirmation emails. You don't want any surprises or misunderstandings. Once you've configured your deposit and cancellation settings, it's time to test them out. Make a test booking yourself or ask a friend to do it. This will allow you to see the client's experience and ensure everything is working as expected. Remember, the goal is to create a seamless booking experience for your clients while protecting your business. You want to strike a balance between security and customer satisfaction. Now, let's talk about some best practices for implementing deposits. First, be transparent. Communicate your deposit policy clearly and consistently. Don't hide it in the fine print. Make it a prominent part of your booking process. Second, be reasonable. Don't set deposit amounts that are excessively high. Consider the value of your services and the expectations of your clients. Third, be flexible. You might want to offer exceptions to your deposit policy for loyal clients or in special circumstances. Fourth, be professional. Even when dealing with no-shows or cancellations, maintain a courteous and respectful tone. Fifth, use Square Appointments' built-in communication tools to send reminders and confirmations. This can help reduce no-shows and keep your clients informed. Sixth, make sure to understand the legal requirements of your area regarding deposits. Some areas may have specific rules that you need to follow. And lastly, consider using Square Appointments reporting features to track your deposit data. This can help you identify trends and make informed decisions about your deposit policy. Implementing a deposit system is not just about protecting your revenue. It's about creating a professional and reliable booking experience for your clients. It's about establishing clear boundaries and demonstrating the value of your time. It's about building a sustainable and profitable business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.